Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Lesotho 0. I'm joined by the double agents.
Yeah, Grootman is Tivo.
It's the only Kaizer Chiefs fan that speaks football.
Grootman.
It's London.
Yeah. Grootman, let me get into it very fast, Brayaga. We shebile game ya ka tsheko ya one fast score.
Bafana 3. Lesotho 0.
Wa itse hona le ntwe nngwe ke boning after game mole. Re khwipile Lesotho pain ya ko Oga FC. The pen landed safely ko Oga FC. Grootman, it's our next meal. And what I know, they are not playing away. They are playing home. Because population in Nigeria, it's half of population in Nigeria, it's here in South Africa.
Yeah.
Especially in Sunnyside, they are even more than us. So it's Nigeria, they'll be playing home. There's nothing like away.
Yeah.
It's home versus home.
Hand.
There's no pressure on Nigerian.
Yeah.
We are going to beat Nigeria and the pain will land it to our sisters.
Basadi ba bona.
Grootman, obvious. Don't be surprised if then Nigeria is loser. Wabona girlfriend how then setse kwatile. Uno tseba hore ona le Yeah, uno tseba ra Nigeria is busy somewhere. Ila signal. Obvious. So that's why it's home versus home. But anyway, Grootman, we are playing Nigeria. Coach Hugo Bruce is going to dish Jello's fries. Jello fries. What's about Grootman? Why it's even Coach Hugo Bruce But anyway, let me give a credit to Coach Hugo Bruce. Selection ya high irorike mo respect Grootman. He understand the assignment. You can't take Mududuzi Shabalala ko Kaizer Chiefs wa modladisa mo game ya Lesotho. It's a disrespect.
Oh.
That guy is a top class of a player.
Yeah.
We met the game it's tshwana le bo Nigeria so. Wa tlhalwanya Grootman. You can't play him mo di game tsa bo Lesotho wa monyatsa.
Yeah.
Wa ntshwara Grootman.
Yeah,
standard is high le contract ya high doesn't allow le sa fa ke sure ba boditse. That's not a standard sa Lesotho. Watch the space, Grootman. Trust the process.
Yeah.
So, odala ka against Nigeria.
Yeah.
Why onanore mufukeng asa dlala mo?
Le na standard.
Yeah. As it is standard it's out dlala. Shabalala lemfuke is not a standard of Lesotho.
Yeah.
They are prepared, Grootman. Already.
Yeah.
To put pain in our sisters on Tuesday.
Yeah. Ke standard sabo Forsters.
Grootman, Ntabashidi.
Yeah.
This is very important for national team. We'll never ever, after Coach Hugo Bruce, find a coach like him.
Never.
That guy, he know how to select a team. Look at Sebelebele at Bafana. That guy, Nente ile top ko TS Galaxy. But spotlight was kerele ko guy Orlando Pirates. It's so very important to play for a big team. That's it gives you a spotlight to go up. Sebelebele now because of and that give a motivation to the youngsters players. It's all about dalla di team tso tshwana le bo Sekhukhune team tse nyane. For them, they need to fight to get their names in a big 3 teams.
Yeah.
So then they can be there.
National team.
So No, you are allowed.
Is he allowed to come in?
It's allowed.
But
We are together, like it's a national team today.
Okay.
Yeah.
But so we are calling players to Bafana because of the spotlight. Do you know if we're doing that, we could have never saw the quality of Yele Tsolonyane. Yele Tsolonyane was first called to Bafana. Is that Yeo or Simpui? Was first called to Bafana Adala NFD. Not Skukun, NFD.
Yeah.
Or in general.
No, we are passing. I must stand at this. Yeah, experience is so expensive. Yeah, so
Like a
rasa. Experience is expensive. Yeah. So, but anyway, let's carry on. No Hrotmani. Coach Brian. Going to Nigeria game, we need pace. Hrotmani, I think we need to play tiki-taka against Nigeria. Because I got a helicopter football. But we need that speed. Bo Mufukeng, bo Shabalala, the pace is speed against Nigeria. We need people that they can run. That's why I'm telling you that game here today, Nesiona Yoirang, your producer Bafana Balorba Konutang, Batle Batokona, even Nigeria, they were going to play against us. But for you to confuse that Nigeria is to keep the good quality material benching. But like I said, going to this game in Brayaga, you need someone who only pace, only speed on that game. So for sure we'll see the coach Irang Aba representer going to that game. But like I said, if you got a good defensive, you as a goalkeeper, you are good because of only backup and defensive. Why I'm saying this? Look at Williams today. Ubileli clean sheet. Why he's good at Bafana. Why can u good at Bafana? Back for your high nailing monate. One talohan. I am exposer. Horing honali good connection, the combination. One talohan. Structure from the middle. I heard people they say why Mbule was called Abidi ko Bafana. One talohan. Who else? Look at what the guy was doing today on that match. So we need to credit a player like Mbule. He was there at Mamelodi Sundowns. But as a South African footballer, Hortman, I will say Mamelodi Sundowns, they've dropped the standard. That is why Ukonobana Orlando Pirates, they're representing national team. Why Hororing Pirates, they're doing well from there. Horrors Pirates, they must carry on. They've got good signing. And for us to say Orlando Pirates is dominator and they are scoring 3 goals, Hortman. Look at Mfanole Unkota. That Mfanole Waituri ibile ke sa re mfana se mfana ke Grootman. Yeah. Wa bona nkotha ne a ke tse buru deserve Grootman. Mfanole re tlamele ba shout country a railway braai or holiday special ya nkotha. Why ke re so Grootman confidence ya high. Look at that team ele I dlalang from ko Orlando Pirates. That guy is scoring there ko Saudi Arabia. Even first game ukorile. Ne, he came home. Had 45 minutes. One already ukorile. Ne, what does tell you? Ka AJL ale moyon. One then until you would say we still got youngsters. We need to notice them. Ne? If, yes, we can go outside because of we want to play KF and stuff or compete, we need the experience. Ne? But for myself, we've got that experience. If it's north side, ko DDC, NFD, they need a spotlight. They need our team on big trades. Even on recognize. Why I'm saying so? Ne? Northern side, look, I'm telling you, they are trying to drop South African football down. Why care so? If you got a player always a top class, they grab that person. Ne? If you got a coach that is leading they take that coach. Believe me, if coach Jose Refero didn't leave Orlando Pirates, by this season Orlando Pirates nebaka kirasta or something. Ne? If look at Sundowns, kabai destroy la ka di coachara. But lebella coach Pito heba mutsia. Why? Baba onorake that person uirang Utlore destroyer ko northern side. What can we do? We take that coach. Sundowns it was a struggle. One. Let us be aware ka dilo tse so. Even letaba yo rekisa Lodge. I've got question why Lodge is not selected in Bafana Bafana. But I can't blame coach Hugo Bruce. Why? Because of his giving us the result. But in my opinion, I would like to see a player like him. National team. Why? They take him from Sundowns because they saw that guy, he can become something. No Miami, like he was starting to become something in that team. Now they're trying to destroy it. Why? They don't want to build a good combination in our teams. Because of why? Those guys that are getting experience solo going to World Cup or something. That's all Konova Bafana go the group stage. Ikonova on top. Why? Kintuerna Lignon. But Batraya Hirang. Buri. Bible. But anyway, in closing, let me say, give credit to Hortmani to Nkota. Yeah, Nkota Braga ngas fetso bolela ka yena. Mfanole like undlaletse bolo engwe elore like we improving standard sa se improving. But I will say to South African football lovers, let us continue supporting our team the way ke bona supporter rena e hodile mo di teamong tsa rena. But there's one thing before we close this table that I want to talk about, and it's not a happy for myself. Phone ya ka ke tlwetse mo chacheng. There's other video ke save ile ne ke re ke tlo bontsha yona ne. Hona le ka game e ya last mo ya Betway Premiership. There was a supporter olore ba mo thubile tlho ya hae buleile. Atwamadi aloko stadium nebalwa. We don't have to promote ntaba ya violence in stadium. We are supporters. Even those players after that game ya Pirates and Chiefs or Sundowns and Chiefs, they visit each other. They go nekena le Vilakazi, nekena le Nkotha, nekena le Shabalala, nekena le Mufukeng. Those guys Skukunes here. They're always together. They like each other. Why should I fight Sukukune out of the pitch? After 90 minutes, Sukukune is my friend. But so why are we killing each other? Sports can tell reunite, isn't divide. But anyway, Hortman, let us close it like this. Don't forget that we're going to do something on our next game. And I told you where the pain is going.
To our sisters.
We are not going to wipe their tears.
Jollof rice.
I will say that, General.